You just posted something amazing, got tons of likes, and then? Nothing. No customers. No followers converting. That's social media for you, noisy, fast, and forgettable. If you're always relying on social platforms to reach your audience, you're basically renting space. One algorithm change and you're invisible. Email marketing means building your own list of people who care about what you do, and reaching them directly in their inbox. No algorithm, no noise, just real connection. With email, you can teach, share updates, give free value, and make offers, all in one place. It's personal, trusted, and converts way better than a social post. Start small, use a free tool, offer a useful freebie to grow your list, and send one email per week. That's it. Social media gives you attention. Email gives you action. One post gets likes. One email can get sales. Your list is your business's safety net. If this video helped, hit subscribe for more.